In this training video, we are going to take a look at how you add captions to videos that you upload in the video library. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a video into the video library like I normally would. So I'm logged in here to the CMS. I'm going over here on Tools on the right hand side, and I'm going to click on Video Library. Of course, this takes me to my library. You see I already have one video in there. I'm going to upload another video. So if I click on this button, it takes me to this screen right here. And this works normally like it would. If I want to add a new video, I click on Add Files. And my video is in my Downloads folder. And I am going to click on this helicopter video. Once I open that and click on Start Upload, of course it's going to start uploading here. You have a certain percentage, and depending on your internet speed, it's going to depend on how fast it uploads. But once that's done uploading, it's going to go to the processing queue, and once it's in the processing queue, it will show up in our video library. Now that my video is uploaded and done processing, you see that it is showing up right here in my video library. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want to create captions for this. And you see right here there is a captions option and add caption button. If we click on that here, it goes in here and it tells us what kind of language is your captions in. Are they captions or subtitles? And you see right here that it gives you the option to upload a caption file. If you click on that, you see that it will open the file manager and you can go in here and add that caption file. But the first thing that we have to do is generate that caption file first before we can upload it. So I'm going to close out of this screen and close out of this Add Caption screen. We are going to generate that caption file by using a website through Microsoft, and this is the website that we will be using. It's a caption maker. Simply what you do is you paste the URL of the video file in here, and you can go in here and add the captions. So let's take a look at how you get that video URL that it's asking for. So let's go back to the CMS here. In order to get that, you can click on this Get Embed Code button right here. And this, of course, is HTML. If you scroll down here towards the bottom, you will see something that says SRC, which stands for source, equals, and then it's got this URL listed inside of it. What you'll want to do is copy that. So do not copy the quotation marks, but just copy all the way down, and you see that it says .mp4. Yours might say something else, .wmv. It just depends on your file type. But copy all the way to the next quotation mark, and then right click and copy that, and I'm going to close out of that screen. So that's how you do that. Now I'm going to go back to the Caption Maker tab with this website, and I'm going to paste that in here, and then I'm going to click Load. And you'll see right here what it does in the video. If I start clicking play, this here is the video right here. It's just a demo video that I have found. And you can play that while you're wanting to type your captions, which is the easiest way to do it. So you see right here, let me turn the volume off on this. When I start clicking play, it tells me down here, pause to enter caption for segment from the beginning all the way up to this current moment. So this video doesn't have any audio to it except just music. But if we want to say something like, we can just say, start typing your caption. And then after we have whatever we typed out from the very beginning all the way up to this 13-second mark, we can click Save, and it puts it over here on our caption list. Now we can start playing again, and you see that it will say enter caption from 13 seconds all the way up to the next moment. So it keeps it in order. You don't have to worry about timings and all of that. It automatically takes care of that for you as you type along. So we can say here, this is another caption, just for test purposes. And then we're going to save that. So there's our caption list there. The caption file format, we want that to be WebVTT is what we want that to be, and you see that it generates that down here for us. After you have all of your captions set up, and it works good, now you can go back on here and play, and again you can change those if you need to. But once you have all of that set up, you're basically going to copy this right here, what this generates for you, and then you're going to go to wherever you want to on your computer. I'm just going to do this in my downloads folder. I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to go to new, and then I'm going to go to text document. And I'm going to name this text document helicopter captions. This text document is what you are going to be uploading into the file manager for your captions. It's going to pull it from this file. So I've named it helicopter captions. I'm going to open this text document, and what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to right click, paste that sort of format that it gave me, and then I'm going to click on X, and I'm going to say yes, I want this to save. Now we're going to go back over to the CMS, and we're going to go through here and add the captions. So click on Add Caption. It's English, it's Captions. Now we're going to select or upload our caption file. We're going to click on that. I'm going to click on Add File, and here's my helicopter captions. I'm going to click on that and open it, and of course it's going to upload it very quickly for me, and you see right here that it puts my captions in here for me. And I'm going to click on Save. And you see right here that it added, okay, captions for English have been added. And if you want to delete those captions, you can click on the X right there and it will delete those for you. The way that this looks to the front end, let me click on this and let's just generate a preview so you see how this works. The way that this works is a closed captions come on, and English, you can select English and you can see those captions right there that that I typed in start showing up, and it's going to play that until the 13-second mark, and then there's the other caption that I put in. That's how that works. So this is the way the video player looks to the front end users. They have this closed caption option over here, and they can come over here and turn those captions off or turn them on. And again, you can add multiple languages if you want to, but that's how you do it. If you have any questions about this, feel free to contact us, and we'll be more than happy to help you either by phone, email, or chat. Thank you so much.